Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to add a favorite action to your Roomba Combo J5. So for example, if you want to access some actions pretty quickly with a click of a button, you're going to open up your iRobot home app, so the app of the Roomba, then select your robot, and then under favorites you can either click on the arrow and add a new favorite from there, or just click on the plus icon from the main screen. And here it's going to ask you to name the action, select a color for it if you want, then you can select the clean preferences. So for example, it cleans the whole space once, or it cleans the whole space twice. Then you have the time limit. So for example, for 50 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. So select the other option you want. And once you're done, just click on create favorite. Yeah, it also can, you can use Siri with it. But that's it. As you can see, the new button has appeared right here. You can click on it for a quick action. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.